Okay, so glute rolling. Again, there's many muscles within the glute. It's not just one muscle, right? You've got a number of muscles in your glutes that can be overactive or tight. What I'm gonna get into right now is the piriformis. It's a muscle that's basically right dead center in the middle of your butt cheek. And it's sort of like if you were wearing a pair of jeans or slacks that have a back pocket, it'd basically be right where that back pocket is. And you'll feel like there's like a little bit of a groove there. If you kind of push your finger in, you'll probably feel some muscle tension in there. This can be a spot that's particularly tight for people if you're doing a lot of glute work, leg work, deadlifts, kettlebell swings, that sort of thing. But it can also be tight as a result of being constantly stretched all day by being in a seated position at work. So as usual, soften things up with a hard ball first. You can kind of roll around on it and get things kind of warmed up, push some blood into the muscle fibers to get them to sort of loosen up a little bit. And then you're going to want to go in with probably a little bit more of an aggressive ball. Usually what I use for that is my handy little Hypersphere. It's the small one. These also have different vibration settings that also help to release the muscle even better. So the way I like to tackle this is, again, soften things up with this first if you feel like you need to. After that, go in with something a little more aggressive. Again, you're going to try to place the ball right in the center of the glute, okay? And you're going to basically bring yourself off the ground, have a seat on the ball itself, feet flat on the floor, shoulders back, and I would put your feet together for this, okay? And then what you're going to do is you're going to kind of move around on it until you found the spot. Mine's about right there. Okay, yeah, ouch, there it is. Okay, and so the release here is a movement for the leg. You're basically just going to drop the knee of the side you're working on toward the floor. So nice deep breaths, pull the shoulders back, posture is in good shape, okay, so you're not caving. Keep yourself up, okay? And then slowly let the leg drop off to the side and let it kind of hang there at the floor. Move around a little bit on it, and then slowly bring the leg back up, putting more weight on the ball, and you'll feel that dig right into that pressure point there. Again, that's the piriformis. Move around a little bit, see if you can kind of break things up, and again, if the ball is turned on, that's going to be helpful too. So dropping the knee off to the side, let it sit there for a second, deep full breaths, and then slowly bring the legs back together, and you'll feel that muscle stretch across the surface of the ball. I would probably do that a number of times, maybe like 4 or 5 times, really let things get loosened up and get happy there. And then usually what I'll do is I'll follow that up with a glute stretch. You can do a couple of different types. You can do the one where you lay back and pull your knee in toward your chest, and you'll feel a little bit of a stretch through the back side of the glutes there. What I'll actually do for this one though is I'll take the knee across the center line of the body and stretch off to the side this way. Then you're going to feel that stretch right in the piriformis, right in that spot that we just worked on. Maybe I'll take the foot and place it on the floor on the other side if it's loose enough, and then I'll pull the knee down this direction, laying back, and just get that stretch right through that piriformis area. Again, try to keep your shoulders square to the floor, keep them flat, nice deep full breaths. Every breath in and breath out, you try to release and pull the leg a little bit further down, trying to increase the stretch as you do.